Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator LED cover in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator LED cover. There are 7 refrigerator LED covers mounted on the sides and the ceiling of the freshwood compartment. The LED cover is a complete LED light assembly. It plugs into the outlet when installed. If one of the refrigerator LED lights won't work, the LED cover should be replaced. To get to the part, we're going to open both French doors. We've got 7 LED lights here in the freshwood compartment. They're also called LED covers. We're going to replace this one. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to insert it at this end in, push it in slightly and pry out the LED cover. And I'll pull it out a little bit. It's not going to go far because of the wire harness. And then we need to press down on this locking tab and disconnect the plug. This is the old refrigerator LED cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to bring in a new LED cover. We're going to plug it in. Push it in so it will lock. Now we're going to install it. Place it in and push it in. The rest of the LED covers are replaced the same way. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.